Alright, so I just got the packaging in for the 4-inch suspension kit for my 2006 Silverado. And I'll open these boxes up and show you guys what's in there. Alright, so I just unboxed the rough country suspension kit for you guys. And I'm pretty impressed by the quality of some of the things that I got from them. Because I mean, it's just $1,000 kit. It's one of the cheapest kits out there. Because I don't got a lot of money at the time, but I'm hoping to give you guys a review on how this rough country suspension kit rides once I get it knocked out. But I won't be doing that about a week or two from now, and I'll get that video uploaded and show you guys how it rides. Hey guys, so the 4-inch rough country lift does ride pretty good, better than I expected actually. So I would give it a good review overall, and it seemed like everything in the packaging was pretty comparable to BDS suspension kit, besides the shocks in general. I'm sure they'll ride better than a rough country, but I mean, yet again, the kit is $1,200 cheaper than the BDS kit, and it does ride way better than it did factory, and I mean, that's pretty good being a 4-inch lift. And another thing is, I didn't have wheels for it at the time. I wanted to go 33s with 12 wides, but my dad had some spares and he got some 35s. So we threw those on there. We did a little bit of trimming. Yes, it does rub. I did crank up the torsion keys all the way up so I could use them for the day, and that will be my thumbnail, so you guys will see what that looks like. But I would recommend 33s, 12 wides, the 35s and 10 wides that I had on in the thumbnail. But for any other questions, you guys just throw down in the comments below and I'll answer those for you.